Designs, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can resize this square aspect ratio template into something rectangular like an 8x10. Right now you can only print this in a square. If you were to print this as an 8x10, like if you open up the crop tool and you pick 8x10, you can see that it would cut off the sides. So we don't want that, so we're not going to do that right now. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take all the layers except for the bottom two layers, your base layers, and you're going to highlight them. You can do that all in one swoop by highlighting the top layer, holding down your shift button, highlighting the bottom layer, and all the rest should highlight together. You're going to press Command T to open up the transformation tool, and you're going to shrink them down. Okay? Doesn't matter really what size, you just want them to be smaller for right now, so we're going to resize them again later. Press OK. Let it transform. Now we're going to use our crop tool. Make it an 8x10 ratio, but I'd like to flip it to the horizontal, and I'm going to just press OK. Now my background layers have not been shrunken down, and they are still there. So now I still have my four layers highlighted. I'm going to press Command T again to use the free transformation tool. I'm going to just stretch them out a little bit here. All right, I would like to still have a border around and center them. Press OK. Now I'm going to go directly to my border, and I'm going to press Command T, and I'm going to hold the Shift button down, and I'm going to stretch my border so that it is wider. Okay, press OK. You may want to make sure that the sides are even. I'm just doing this very quickly here. So that looks pretty good just like that, but I would do one more thing. I'm going to go to my numbers clipping mask. Highlight it, press Command T, hold the Shift key, and I'm going to stretch my numbers. If I were to not hold down, what would happen is the entire thing would stretch horizontally and vertically like this. But I don't want that. So I'm going to go backwards, press Command T again, hold my Shift key so I'm only going to stretch horizontally. And I'm going to just move it around till it's centered the way I like it. Again, this is all to preference, how much space you would like to have. Make sure that it visually looks good between the words and it's centered. Press OK, and that's pretty much how you would do that. All right, thanks for watching.